Derek's refusing to work with me, isn't he?
The board met this morning. They feel that a suspension would send the wrong message. They feel that what you did disgraced the hospital, the profession. I'm sorry. I did everything I could.
So what are you saying?
You're fired. Effective immediately. You're no longer a doctor at Seattle Grace.
Heart's on fire.